Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add link to your TikTok bio. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your TikTok app and then go to your settings and privacy. From your settings and privacy, just tap on account and switch on to professional account or business account. Now just tap on switch to business account. After that, your account will be in business mode. Now go again to your profile and then you can see tap on edit profile. Right here on edit profile, you can see website. Just tap on that to add your website. After adding your website, people can now click on the link to see your website. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.